Hi, welcome. If it is your first time of stopping by or coming across my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. I appreciate each and every one of you who always tune back to watch my program. May God Almighty bless you. You are free to leave your comment constructively. Like you know, I present to you information across the globe, especially Nigeria to be precise. And today, I present to you another exciting video which we are going to watch together. Now let's watch this video together, then come to my comment section and tell me what you think about the video. You are free to criticize, but constructively, as we watch the video together.
Fellow Biafrans, my address today will be directed specifically to my people, the Kalawari people, the Jaw people, and maternal home, the Query people. I want to state facts and separate the facts from falsehood. Nigeria had 3 regions before 1960, when the British granted us the flag independent. As an independent state. In 1963, Nigeria became a republic. Later, Midwestern region was created, making it 4 regions. Now, those people who are telling us, the Kalawari people, the Jaw people, the Query people, that they are not Biafrans, they are not from Eastern region. Was there an Eastern region from 1960 to 1967 at independence? We are not talking of pre-independent time. We are now talking of independent Nigeria, 1960 to 1967. In 1960, series of events took place that led to meetings in Aburi, meeting in Addis Ababa, and several other meetings from 1966. 1967, after due consultation with the people of the Eastern region and looking at several other names, amongst which was Biafra, suggested by Francis Opigo, an Ijaw man, who later became the administrator of Yenigua province, and later in life became the traditional ruler of its clan. Biafra was chosen. His Majesty King Frederick Tom Princely was co-chairman of the Eastern Leaders Consultative Assembly that gave birth to Biafra. So, His Majesty the Amana of Calabar Kenyanawa was co-chairman. Frederick Tom Princely, the man who suggested the name Biafra, and it was taken with an overwhelming resolution, was Francis Opigo, an Ijaw man. On the 29th of May, at the Declaration of Independence of the state of Biafra, it was Cardinal Rex James Blossom and his band that played the Biafra national anthem for the first time. An Ijaw man, a Kalawari man from Buguma. You hear more of his music in this program, elogizing Biafra. Now I ask the question, we are not Biafra. So what were you? Where did you come from? An Okrika man, NS Bikiwo, was the administrator of Degima province. Mr. Mahola Guba, later Commissioner in Rivers State, later Minister, was the administrator of Port Harcourt province. Silvanus Kuki, and a young man from Opopo, was the administrator of Opopo province. Air Marshal Bruce, brother to Ben Bruce and others, was the chief of air staff of Biafra. There are several people like that. So bring your facts. Contradict the facts I put before you. That were not Biafrans. Was Degema not part of the Eastern region that declared Biafra in 1967? Was Opobo not part of the Biafra independence in 1967? Was Opobo not part of? Was Yenegua not part of? Was Port Harcourt not part of? These were the provinces and administrative units in which Biafrans, Ijob Biafrans, Kalawari Biafrans were found. Ikwere Biafrans were found. Now let us go on. They said during the war, Bakana was evacuated. So also Iyala was evacuated. So also Oka was evacuated. So also Umoya was evacuated. Several other communities in Igbo land were evacuated. This is a military strategy from ancient time. During the First World War, what did the Soviets do in order to render German occupation useless? Anytime they are not able to defend, they burn it down, evacuate all the people, and go on a mass exodus. It happened in France. It happened in Italy. Instead of giving comfort, women, it happened in Korea. It happened in China during the World War. Not to give comfort to the invading and occupying troops, so that they will not have houses, they will not have women to warm their beds. It's a war policy. And if today there is war again, it will be applied. It was not intentional. More Igbo communities were evacuated than any other place. Because before the enemy come in, if you can no longer defend, it's to move the civilian population. So there will be nobody there to provide food for them, to cook for them, to sleep with them, the women, to comfort them in bed. That is a war strategy applied all over the world. It was not limited to Aponima, it was not limited to Bakana. Sad as it is, it was not limited. They said people were killed who were called saboteurs. Ifa Juna, Banjo were executed as saboteurs. The people who planned the 1966 coup that spiraled to this war, they were killed by Ojukwu as saboteurs. Ifa Juna is an Igbo man. There are several of them that were killed as saboteurs. So the issue of people being killed as saboteurs, that was not limited to only our people. Even in Nigeria, people were court-martialed and killed. Our Isaac Boro was murdered by the Nigerian troops at Okrika before the end of the war. They killed him. It was not Biafrans that killed him. So this issue of our not being Biafran, because of this we are not Biafra, Igbos will overrun us. Igbo did not overrun anybody. It is the number of people that joined the Biafran army, volunteered to join the Biafran army. The Biafran army was a voluntary war. My father also served in it. My father served in it as a medic. It's volunteer. So if the greatest number of people who served in the army were Igbos, then there's nothing we can do about it, because you did not serve, because you are cowardly, because you are hiding under your mother's bed. It's as simple as that. And that's very well. People say when you call Biafra, people say Biafra is Igbo. How can Biafra be Igbo? The bite of Biafra, is it in England? The bite of Biafra is at the coast. It starts from River Non to Gabon. There is no Igbo community on the coast. So how can Biafra be Igbo? So when I see Wike and others talking, I just say, this is ignorant of the highest order. They are not at the core. I don't want to go to any other historical explanation of the origin of Biafra. Simple. The bite of Biafra had no association with Igbo. It has no association with Igbo. The bite of Biafra is an exclusively Ijaw territory in Nigeria. Now, the people that are opposed to Biafra more among Ijaw people, that are shouting on top of their roof, we are not Biafra, we are not Biafra. They are from the western zone of the journey. Curiously, you've not seen. Look at this map very well. This is the Yoruba country called Oduduwa. The Yoruba country being produced. Look at it very well. This is the Yoruba country. Up to Sagama, this is Warri. Baramatu, Isaba, Diabili, Arugo, Egbemu, Olodiama, Apoy, becoming Yoruba people. So that you be with Lagos. So that we will still continue suffering under the shackles of the occupation, Futajelon Gambaris, you lie. It's not going to be possible. Having said that, I want to come to my Kalawari people. Including the Kulam, in time when I'm trying to buy anybody, in game my tribe, in River State, you have become footmat. They clean their leg like pram, pram before they enter anywhere. Kalawari is footmat. You have a province in Biafra. And they no, we don't want. The people that don't have anything are only new. Like Mumu, Oburapo, Apantu. You continue. 1966 and today. Let us compare. Where is the Calabar? The Calabar man of 1966 and the Calabar man of today. Let us compare them. The Calabar man is nowhere. The last have become first. We that are first have become last. Biafra, and they were only hope. Biafra Branga Boro IGBOS. Don't I didn't tell you. I have never in my life done anything that will not bring out Calabari on top. That will not bring out Ijaw on top. I was president of Ijaw Youth Council. Go and assess the time I was president and compare it to other presidents. I'm not going to beat my chest. History had always vindicated me. History had always vindicated me. I am telling us, this is our only hope. Nigeria is grinding to a halt. Where is our fallback position? Where are you going to fall back? It's not because I was chosen overwhelmingly by the leadership of the Igbo people, which is for deputy of Nnamdi Kanu. Emeka Emekesiri, lawyer of indigenous people of Biafra Elders Customary Council. Omiomio, which is Asiebu. And several other Igbos across the globe, all over the world, have been meeting for months I only attended their meeting once. Myself and one other Ijoma, Ijuloso, were the only Ijo people. I don't know people from other nationality that were in that meeting. But they all attended this meeting, looked at me, and chose me overwhelmingly. Our elder brother, Ralph Owazuruke, nominated me, and everybody supported Uche Mefo, deputy of IPOB, can serve as spokesman for a government led by your son, and you are there right. The question I asked, when Nembe people came to Sangano and Soku, I am not from Sangano, I am not from Soku. Ask the people, where were you? How was Sangama and others resettled? Where were you? You love Kalabari. You are Kalabari Unity Forum. You are Kalabari blah 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 blah. Where were you? You are Kalabari is only in the internet. When Okuluba people came to Cotton Channel, where were you? Today Cotton Channel is gone.
Welcome to my channel. If this is your first time or first day of coming across my YouTube channel or seeing my face, you are highly welcome. Herzlich willkommen zu meinem Kanal. My name is Linda Chukwuezi. It comment and red button that says subscribe, and you turn on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get information on the.
Bis zum nächsten Video und einen schönen Tag. Tschüss.
Tschüss. Bis man subscribe to Linda's TV show. What are you waiting for? Click on that red button that says subscribe. You turn on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more updates from me. Leave your comments down below and share this video with your friends, families, and colleagues until we meet again in my next video. Bye bye.